Thinking about starting freelancing but not sure where to begin? Let's walk through it step by step. First, forget the big, scary word freelancing for a moment. Ask yourself this simple question: what can I do that helps someone solve a problem or save time? That is your starting skill. It could be writing, design, video editing, social media, coding, data entry, tutoring, translation, or even setting up basic websites. If you are not sure, list 3 things people often ask you for help with. That is usually a clue. Next, choose a clear niche. Instead of saying, "I do everything," try something like blog articles for small businesses, TikTok videos for local shops, or simple logos for new brands. The more specific you are, the easier it is for clients to say yes. Now you need a tiny but powerful portfolio. If you do not have past clients, create your own sample work. Write 2 example articles, design 3 sample logos, edit a short video for a pretend brand. Quality matters more than quantity. Then, set a simple starter price. Do a quick search on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to see what beginners charge for similar work. Start low enough to be competitive, but not so low that you feel resentful. You can always raise your rates later. Create a clear profile and offer. Use simple language: who you help, what you do, and the result they get. For example, I create short, engaging videos that help small businesses stand out online. Your first clients will likely come from people you already know. Post on your social media, tell friends, and ask if their network needs help. Offer a small discount for your first 3 clients in exchange for honest reviews and permission to show the work. Once you land a client, communication is everything. Confirm what they want, when they need it, and how many revisions are included. Deliver on time, or earlier if you can. Happy clients lead to repeat work and referrals. As you grow, create simple systems: a template for messages, a checklist for projects, and a basic way to track income and expenses. And when you are ready to look more professional, create your own short explainer video to show what you do. You can make videos like this quickly at vidfactory.ai without needing editing skills. Start simple, start small, but start today. Your freelancing career grows, one client at a time.